I joined the Osteo Foundation of California, and I made a pledge that I would represent the foundation helping people who don't have osteoporosis, who don't have density, as well as the others that we're talking about. So our product is also good for people that want to prevent themselves from having osteoporosis or some bone density. So our organization tries to get out information about how to prevent getting into a problem with osteoporosis. It's mainly all in your lifestyle. So this is what the foundation that I joined is for, prevention. So we are now involved with our product in prevention as well as the cure. Thank you.